Hi, this is the map editor tiled, and I'm going to use it to customize a WorkAdventure map. The WorkAdventure map I'm going to customize today is the Ren office from Element. I have that open here, and it has a lot of layers. So there's special for something like collisions. Here I can see all of the red blocks now are collision areas. I'm gonna show the map again. Then there's the floor level, which contains all of the floor and these green outlines for areas. Those are on floor 2. Then there are 2 wall layers, free furniture, and a floor layer, which this floor layer is an object layer, so all of these zones are on that layer. The floor layer basically tells WorkAdventure that there is a special area here. And clicking on this area, it's a Jitsi chill zone. The chill zone is something I added. This can be named in any way I want. But the custom property here says it has a Jitsi room attached to it, and that's called chill zone. So if somebody walks into this area, which separately is indicated by this green line, then for this person the Jitsi room will open. We also have these 2 silent zones here for private workspaces. I've been asked to add 2 new zones, 2 new Jitsi zones for talking up here in the kitchen area and here in this workspace area. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag over the Jitsi chill zone, copy paste that like Control C, Control V. While I have the floor layer selected, and I'm going to drag that over to the kitchen, make sure that everything here is included, everything that I think should be part of the area. I'm gonna drag it a little bit over the regular tiles, so this would be like just enough, but I think it's better to have it like a few pixels going over the room boundaries. So if some people walk against the wall and like they really squeeze against the wall, they won't drop out of the Jitsi call. And over here, I know that the entire kitchen area, like this place where you have the counter, is also part of the room. So I think I'm gonna include that, which means that basically the entire kitchen room is now one Jitsi chill zone. Oh yeah, chill zone, wanna change that to kitchen, and also change this to kitchen. I might need to change this now to Ren's kitchen, because otherwise it will be the same kitchen as I have in the London office, which I already called kitchen. And then I'm gonna do the same, copy paste here into the work area. Again, a few pixels outside of the room is fine. Here I'm gonna make the cut there. And then this is the Ren's large office. I don't know, large office or corner office. Let's call it corner office. I'm not sure if the people over there have an official name for it. Yeah, so technically this is now done. This will work and open the Jitsi calls. However, I still think it's nice to have an indicator like this on the map where it has this green outline. And for that, I'm going to go to the floor 2 layer And here in the tile sets, this is all the tiles, all the graphics that I can place on the map. Here I'm going to select the WA for WorkAdventure _ special zones. Nope, it's not that one. It's user interface. Here it has the here. That allows me to place those bit by bit. Even underneath the tables, it will be visible, like right here. If you look in between those tables, there are a few pixels that you can see through. So I recommend placing that underneath the entire room, even if there are objects in between. Down at the bottom, that got all the corners. Left side, and I think there's something for the right side as well. Yep. And to indicate what kind of room this is, or like what kind of zone this is, I like to add the laptop icon. I think the plant needs to move. I don't want it here. I want it here in the corner. So I'm gonna move the plant. For that, I'm going to look for which layer the plant is on, and it seems to be the lower part of the plant is here in Furniture 1. There are explanations of how to do this, like properly. I think this is maybe a little bit too advanced in order to explain how all of this works. I'm gonna have to move the collision as well. And now I have some space for the icon. Okay. All of that works a little bit faster if you just have an existing zone already, like over here. I can right-click and then drag to select an area, and I can use this to quickly copy-paste that over here. Again, right-click, drag it, and then a left-click to actually place the elements again. And with that, I can quickly have the second room, the kitchen all wired up and labeled. And I think over here, here in the upper right corner would be a good place to indicate that this is another Jitsi room. Sounds good to me. I don't think I've made any mistakes. So I'm going to save the map and upload it to the repository to update it for other people. That's it. Bye.